Hello everybody, I've got a very unusual Lamborghini today. This is a Lamborghini Murcielago, and it is not a simple Murcielago, it is a Murcielago Spider, a very rare car, not only for Russia but for the rest of the world. Look at the interesting color it's in. Nearby, by the way, there is a Ferrari 458 Italia, also a Spider version. These are two convertibles, and as they say, feel the difference. Well, of course, it's a different generation altogether in the automobile industry. But let's show you the Lamborghini today. It's in the right yellow color. It looks very nice. It costs a lot too. But one thing I found in this car really surprised me. Look at this wooden box, which on one side, it's covered in leather. Or rather, it's covered in leather. What do you think it is? Well, it looks like a loudspeaker, but it's actually a subwoofer. Yes, that's what a subwoofer looks like in a 2005 Lamborghini Murcielago. But the question is, why is it so strange? Why is it so sloppy? And therefore, why is the Murcielago so expensive? Another question I have is, if this subwoofer is made like this, how is the rest of the car made? I've shown you great videos of these cars. And I think you'll remember, underneath, this car looks as exotic, as does its subwoofer, which I'm showing you now. But really, the main point is why these cars have been steadily increasing in value. Despite their reputation, I believe the Lamborghini of those years was less reliable than the Ferrari. But nevertheless, the Italians made very beautiful cars back then. But that's also why they are so expensive now. So, in principle, if you have free money, I advise you to buy such a car. But also, of course, it will become more expensive over time, even though it's a bit strange.